Cardano value equivalent to 5.6697 rands a coin. The present cost range, 5.4658. 5.8196. The earlier day close, 5.5190. The change was plus 0.1507. Plus 2.73%. Reverse rate, ZAR to ADA. Cardano cost expectation for. In the not-so-distant future and month. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, July 20. Cost 5.42 rands. High 5.80. Low 5.04. Cardano figure on Friday, July 21. Cost 5.36 rands. High 5.74. Low 4.98. Cardano cost expectation on Monday, July 24. Cost 5.22 rands. High 5.59. Low 4.85. Cardano conjecture on Tuesday, July 25. Cost 5.13 rands. High 5.49. Low 4.77. In multi-week Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, July 26. Cost 4.63 rands. High 4.95. Low 4.31. Cardano conjecture on Thursday, July 27. Cost 5.37 rands. High 5.75. Low 4.99. Cardano cost expectation on Friday, July 28. Cost 5.30 rands. High 5.67. Low 4.93. Cardano conjecture on Monday, July 31. Cost 5.32 rands. High 5.69. Low 4.95. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, August 1. Cost 5.47 rands. High 5.85. Low 5.09. In about 14 days Cardano figure on Wednesday, August 2. Cost 5.39 rands. High 5.77. Low 5.01. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, August 3. Cost 5.47 rands. High 5.85. Low 5.09. Cardano figure on Friday, August 4. Cost 5.58 rands. High 5.97. Low 5.19. Cardano cost expectation on Monday, August 7. Cost 5.47 rands. High 5.85. Low 5.09. Cardano figure on Tuesday, August 8. Cost 5.34 rands. High 5.71. Low 4.97. In 3 weeks Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, August 9. Cost 5.31 rands. High 5.68. Low 4.94. Cardano figure on Thursday, August 10. Cost 5.35 rands. High 5.72. Low 4.98. Cardano cost expectation on Friday, August 11. Cost 5.32 rands. High 5.69. Low 4.95. Cardano figure on Monday, August 14. Cost 5.48 rands. High 5.86. Low 5.10. Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday, August 15. Cost 5.78 rands. High 6.18. Low 5.38. In about a month Cardano estimate on Wednesday, August 16. Cost 5.93 rands. High 6.35. Low 5.51. Cardano cost forecast on Thursday, August 17. Cost 5.58 rands. High 5.97. Low 5.19. Cardano estimate on Friday, August 18. Cost 5.70 rands. High 6.10. Low 5.30. Cardano value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027 Cardano cost forecast for July 2023. To start with cost at 5.38 rands, exorbitant cost 7.26, while low cost 4.31. Found the middle value of cost 5.57. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 5.32. Change for July 1.1%. Cardano estimate for August 2023. To start with cost at 5.32 rands, exorbitant cost 6.35, while low cost 4.77. Found the middle value of cost 5.39. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 5.13. Change for August 3.6%. Cardano cost expectation for September 2023. In the first place cost at 5.13 rands, exorbitant cost 5.13, while low cost 4.01. Found the middle value of cost 4.65. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 4.31. Change for September 16.0%. Cardano gauge for October 2023. In the first place cost at 4.31 rands, exorbitant cost 4.71. While low cost 4.09, the found the middle value of cost 4.38. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 4.40. Change for October 2.1%. Cardano cost expectation for November 2023. In the first place cost at 4.40 rands, exorbitant cost 4.80. While low cost 4.18, the found the middle value of cost 4.47. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 4.49. Change for November 2.0%. Cardano gauge for December 2023. In the first place cost at 4.49 rands, exorbitant cost 5.30. While low cost 4.49, the found the middle value of cost 4.81. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 4.95. Change for December 10.2%. Cardano cost expectation for January 2024. At the outset cost at 4.95 rands, excessive cost 5.04. While low cost 4.38, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 4.77. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 4.71. Change for January 4.8%. Cardano conjecture for February 2024. At the outset cost at 4.71 rands, excessive cost 5.84. While low cost 4.71, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.18. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 5.46, change for February 15.9%. Cardano cost expectation for WOC 2024. At the outset cost at 5.46 rands, excessive cost 5.94. While low cost 5.16, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.53. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 5.55, change for spring 1.6%. Cardano conjecture for April 2024. At the outset cost at 5.55 rands, excessive cost 6.03. While low cost 5.25, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.62. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 5.64. Change for April 1.6%. Cardano cost expectation for May 2024. Before all else cost at 5.64 rands, excessive cost 5.68. While low cost 4.94, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.39. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 5.31. Change for May 5.9%. Cardano conjecture for June 2024. Before all else cost at 5.31 rands, excessive cost 5.87. While low cost 5.11, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.45. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 5.49. Change for June 3.4%. Cardano cost expectation for July 2024. Before all else cost at 5.49 rands, exorbitant cost 5.49. While low cost 4.55.